Welcome to Big Ramotha's Adventure. I'm Josh, and today I'm going to the Nuclear Fall Crawl in Byron, Illinois, at the Byron MotoSports Park, which is a motocross park. Normally only allowed dirt bikes and things like that there, but they are having an event. It looked like there was about 185 or so people signed up to go, and it's going to be mostly Jeeps. I'll probably be the only Power Wagon there. There's going to be a few Broncos, I think, maybe some Forerunners and other SUVs, mostly smaller 4x4s. But I was told that we could bring the Power Wagon, so we're going to try. The easy trail and the play area are definitely big enough from the sounds of it to fit this big truck through. The medium trail, maybe. But I was told that the hard difficulty trail would not fit. So I got some friends that are coming out tomorrow. This evening, they're doing a night trail run. Should be interesting. Hopefully, I think it's on the easy trail, so we'll be able to take the truck on that. But tomorrow, it's all day trail rides, open play area, things like that. Probably jump in somebody else's vehicle and hopefully run the hard trail with them. Maybe I'll be a spotter. I've got my, get them out here. My GMRS radios, I actually have two, so I've got a spare. Sounds like most folks are bringing that type of radio, so I'll be able to communicate with others and maybe do a little bit of spotting or communicate with somebody else spotting with me. Never done anything like this before. Should be cool. Let's hit the road. Got clear there or too long? Yeah, it was a little bit longer than that. Power Wagon don't care. recommend it.